मैं निहारिका SPJIMR मुंबई से।
I'm Veena. I'm currently pursuing PGDM from SPJIMR Mumbai.
Hi guys, this is Ujjwal from SPJIMR Mumbai.
Gani Khamba. I'm Arzu Bhatia from SPJIMR Mumbai.
And we are here with Praveen Lata Sansthan as a part of our DOCC project. So Praveen Lata Sansthan is basically an NGO that works for women empowerment, ranging from projects like Ladli, which cares about women education. They are helping in the areas of women hygiene, which includes knowledge about menstruation and everything. And they also have workshops about self-defense for young girls, their education, helping them with their schools, tuition facilities, and also they have their new work for the entrepreneurship among the girls.
We are at Karipur. We've been here for the past 4 days. We've conducted 5 workshops so far. We found that the communities here are more underdeveloped, and however the people here were more welcoming. And initially when we were trying to talk to few women, they were very apprehensive about talking to us. They were really scared to give us their names or even let us inside their houses.
We started talking about menstrual hygiene to the women of this village. The women did not seem to know anything much about the hygiene program. They used to use cloth, and when they used to use pads, they used to throw it away and they used to burn some of them. So we gave them these kits and we told them how they are supposed to maintain their hygiene.
हमने यहाँ पे महामारी के बारे में जानकारी दी और दी मेरा पैड की किट्स। And no matter if food reaches here or not, water reaches here or not, TV has reached here. So we see a lot of dish TVs. People are aware of the movies. People are aware of the current happenings here.
Being not able to understand their language, still being able to connect with them at certain level was a very new thing for me.
Basically, I'm from South India, and so when I first came to the village, one of the things that I was really skeptical about is how included will I feel here. So I was pretty sure that there's not much I can do on the field. But however, on the first day we had a workshop at the night. It was completely a different experience.
One thing which was peculiar for me was there are caste among caste. So for example, they all are the lower caste, but within these lower caste, they have other 5 levels of caste.
And I think this was a very eye-opening experience for me, in the sense that I'd never really seen a village so closely in my life. Going to the women and convincing them of using a very new product that they might not consider using otherwise is something that I think have in a way added value to their life.
We learn a lot of things. Something very simple is when there is fear in the air during coronavirus, we still breathe in this fresh air and in this carefreeness of the village people around here. That was a hit, and I think DOCC will be one for me as well.
All the young people there who are working as students or in corporates, to please go to their page and please join this. Devote your 1 week, 2 weeks or 1 month and work for them, and please help our nation to grow together. Thank you.